Hi and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back once again to Technology Information channel. Today in this video we are going to explain the woodward governor, speed governor. Product specifications, part number is 03258E. Okay, the governor name is SG2D, speed governor. Okay, the applications, the SG2D is universal digital speed control for the combustion engine. Okay, its used in a generator sits. The SG2D is configured via a direct configuration cable, DPC and PC software tool. Configuration of the SG2D can also be carried out utilizing the push buttons and the 4-digit display on a control. Okay, this is the specification and application and description. Description: the SG speed control is designed for a wide variety of applications ranging for variable speed mechanical drives to the asynchronous gensets. Okay, features: a magnetic pickup input for direct measurement of the engine speed via the inductive or switching pickup. Number 2, transistor output for the speed annunciation. Number 3, raise lower discrete input for the speed reference value specifications. Okay, analog speed bias input for the changing speed refer point version dependent refer to the future overview. Discrete input to drop the control switching and control the dynamics. Number 4, 4-digit 7-segment LED display, PC configurable pulse width modulation signal to control and actuator version dependent refer to the feature overview. Idle speed enable via DI manual external speed reference view. DI overrides along external speed reference. Okay, so let's move to the wiring diagram explanations. Okay, as you can see here we have two models. Okay, so let's get started. The pin number 1 and pin number 2 is MPU input supply. As you can see here, 7-segment 4-digit display, and this is the TB1 and TB2 for the wiring connections, and MPU and actuator and power up supply. Okay, as you can see here we have RS232 connectors for 7-segment 4-digit display and 1 to 8 TB and 9 to 18 TB. Okay, and the size is 98 millimeters internally and 108 millimeters is externally. Okay, length and width. So let's move to the wiring diagram. Pin number 1 is negative, pin number 2 is positive of the magnetic pickup unit. Okay, MPU sensor. Now pin number 3 and pin number 4 is a power up supply for the this governor. Pin number 6 and pin number 5 is actuator pulse width modulation input. Okay, pin number 8 and pin number 7. Pin number 7 is positive input. Okay, pin number 8 is negative output. Okay, the rating range is input 4 milliampere to 20 milliampere. Okay, pin number 9 is lower discrete input. Okay, pin number 10 is raised discrete input, and pin number 11 is also discrete input, and pin number 12 is common. Okay, this is used for, this is the small size of potentiometer. You want to lower the speed and from the pin number 9 and you want to manually by hand, and pin number 10 you want to uh, raise the speed by hand with a small screwdriver. This is the small type of potentiometers. Okay, as you can see here are the symbols of the potentiometers. Okay, where is this potentiometers? As you can see here, this three. As you can see, the arrow is used for the lower the speed, and the up arrow is used to increase the speed. Okay, manually by hand with a small screwdriver. Okay, as you can see, this three potentiometer. Okay, pin number 13 and pin number 14, this is the transistor output. Okay, as you can see, the transistor output, you can control the AVR side and also the engine voltage with this control. Okay, pin number 17 and 18, this is the second transistor output to using for your different type of your synchronization engine. Okay, this is the complete wiring diagram of the pin out and pin ins of the woodward governor STD2 speed governor. Okay, anybody required the diagram, mail me, I will send you the diagram of this controller. This is very easy, very simple, and so simple. Okay, now checks the rating of the governor, input and output rating. Okay, as you can see, magnetic pickup units from 5 volt AC 300 frequency to 800 kilohertz frequency. Okay, sinusoidal amplitude minimum and maximum. Okay, input of the impedance, as you can see, all the detail is here. Actuator controls 45 milliamps to 7 amps. Okay, power up supply, power consumption control 1.5 watts. Maximum power consumption of the actuator 352 watts. Okay, ambient temperature from minus 20 degree to 70 degree Celsius. Ambient humidity 95% non-condensancy. Discrete input isolated, that's mean discrete input, this means this is the free contacts. Okay, you can use your input and you can use your output. If you want to negative input, you can get negative output. If you want to give the positive input, you can get the positive output. Okay, input range from 8 volt to 32 volt DC supported. Okay, and resistance for approximately 6.7 kilo ohms. Analog inputs is a resolution 10 bits. Okay, input from 4.4 to 20 milliamps load. Okay, inputs plus negative and positive 3 volt DC input resistance approximately 40 kilo ohm. Okay, this is the complete specification and detail of the woodward SGD2 governor speed governor, and the product specification numbers is 03258E. Okay, if you have further any question, any problem, please write comment below in comment section. I will give you complete detail about this woodward governor. Thanks for watching the video. See you all next time. Goodbye.